they are not in support of me, like they will never be in support of me. I'm confused, I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's to please them or if it's not to please them. I'm like in the middle. In fact, I'm confused.
Sandra's Joyful Space. Subscribe.
Hello blessed, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and this is Sandra's Joyful Space. You are welcome once again. Guys, I know from the title you're like, okay, what is Sandra talking about? What is going on? So that's why we are here to talk about it, to share it all with you guys and spill it all out. Yes, so guys, you all know that I started my channel for a while now, like some few months ago. Yeah, so guys, I don't even know, my thoughts are everywhere. Okay, calm down. So guys, you all know that I started my channel some months back. Yes, and on this channel have been showing my husband, my mom, and just here and there, and that is it so far. Like, I've not really showed my husband's family or even my family. I've not really showed my family here apart from my mom and my husband. I don't think any of my family members. Okay, you all know that my sister has a channel, Lillian Ogene TV, so that is it about that. That is how it has been for a while now. And I've been getting some 1 or 2 comments from people like, oh, why don't you show your husband's family? What is going on? It would be nice to see how you relate with your husband's family and all that, just how you relate. And initially I kind of like, ignored those comments. I was like, there's no need to. I don't even reply them in the comment section. And I see that other people like, give those comment thumbs up. I'm like, okay. So they are agreeing with, the commenter that I should be showing my husband's family and all that stuff. So I'm like, wow. That's why I'm doing this video, to actually, address those comments. I don't know what they might be thinking. Is it that she's not in good terms with her husband's family? What is going on? Why is she not? Yeah. So that is why I want to address it on this video so that it is, cleared out. Yeah. So my husband's father is from Germany, so he's German, while his mother is from France. So from his mother's side, all their families are in France, and because of the COVID and all that, I'm even yet to meet them. We just talk on phone and all that. I've really not seen like the big France family. No, I've not met them yet. So that is it about that aspect. And my husband's father is from Germany. My husband lost his father even before I met him, just some years before we met. May so rest in perfect peace. Yeah, his family are scattered, in different states in Germany. Some are here, some are there, some are like that. Yes, there's 1 or 2 who don't live very far from us. Yes, but we don't meet on a daily basis. Of course, everybody's working. Once in a while, when there's a reason to meet, yeah, then we meet. Yeah, so that is it about that. Now to my husband's family, like directly. This is it. As YouTubers, you have to respect other people's privacy, opinions, and all that. The fact that I'm a YouTuber, I cannot force everybody to be on camera, even though they are my family, even though like they are related to me. I can't just bring out camera and put in your face, hey guys, this is it. Doesn't work that way. For me, I feel like it's disrespectful. Yes, the fact that you are a YouTuber, you want to be a YouTuber, like I want to be a YouTuber, so you don't have to bring them into it. If you tell them ahead of time that, oh yes, I will be filming this, if you are okay with it, if they say okay, they are okay with it, they will be, then fine. Like, yeah, they are okay with being on the video and all that, then fine. But apart from that, I will not just spontaneously, just out of the blues, start filming my family members. No. So that is one reason why you might never, because they say never, so you might never see my husband's family on my videos. No, because they are not the camera type. That is just the answer. The long and short of the story is they are not the camera type. I don't know about the other, family members. I explain when I do meet them. That's why I gave that explanation from the beginning, because I've not also met some of them. When I do meet them and they are open on being on the channel, like, oh, so good and fine. From my wedding video, if you have not watched my traditional wedding, you will see my husband's family, like you will see them in the video. That's a gathering, that's like a wedding, so obviously they're in the video. But when it comes to just visiting them and doing a video, or when we are together just doing a video. Get this. Like, it's not going to happen. It's not gonna happen, because they are not just camera type. It's not just only because it's YouTube. Even like in their personal life, let's just take pictures. Like, we want to take pictures. They are not ready for pictures. They are just like that. I'm not pissed about it. Everybody has a right to decide if they want to take a picture, be in your video or this and that. Even to get a Christmas family picture, guys, it's a struggle. So guys, it's not a case of like, oh, they are not in support of me, like they will never be in support of me. I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's to please them or if it's not to please them. I'm like in the middle. In fact, I'm confused. No, that's not the situation. That is not it. So that's what you have been thinking. No, they are not just the camera type, or they don't just want to be videoed or all that. And I respect it. I respect their opinion. I respect their decision, and I'm okay with it. And we are fine. I am the YouTuber. They are not the YouTubers. And one of the major reasons my sister-in-law said she doesn't like being in pictures and all that. Like long ago, we were having a discussion about, being videoed or all those kind of thing and camera and those stuff. And she was like, okay, she's a teacher and she don't want to just be like on the net and her students will see her and then have some opinions about her. Not that she's doing something wrong, but she doesn't just want to, guys, it's just how she feels. She just feel like she just want to be off camera. She just want to be doing her thing like off camera, And I respect it, and I respect her, and I'm okay with it. So guys, the long and short is I cannot force them to be on camera. I cannot force them to be on my videos, and I cannot, pull them and say, hey, you must be on my video. Like, you have to, or maybe video them without their consent. That would be too much. Like, it's too much. I can't do that. So guys, anybody you see on this channel, just know that they've given their approval, and that is why they are on this channel. Because I normally ask before I do that. Even talking about my family, for instance. My mom, for instance, oh, she's okay with it. She loves the camera. She's not camera shy or whatever. She's just, she's okay. Yes. My mom even have her own YouTube channel, Justina Ogene. So, like, she's okay with it. My sister too, she has a YouTube channel. But I also have other sisters, which they don't really live so close to me. And when I want them to be on my video, I would also seek their permission. It's not a situation whereby, oh, because you are my sister, they, oh yeah, guys, so this is my sister, guys, and then, what is all that? What is all that? Like, you have to seek permission. So whether you are my sister, you are my friend, you are my husband's family, you are my family, whatever, I take permission before I put anyone on my channel. Because I don't want any situation of why did you not? So guys, you might never see my husband's family on my channel, but maybe there's an event like a party, a celebration, and I filmed the celebration and they were caught one place or the other in the video. Maybe if they're okay with that, like the traditional wedding, then fine. They can be in that one because it's not like focused on them. It's just a crowd of people and they are in the crowd. So maybe in that situation, they can be on this channel, but say just focusing the camera on them, I can't see that happening. They will never accept that. Like, I can't see that happening. They will not accept that. Like, never. So guys, that is it. I just said, let me come and say this. I know that some of you will say, oh, but you don't need to explain. Why do you need to even stress yourself and explain? And I know I might not need to explain, but I feel like I should just say it, because as time goes on, more people will be getting more inquisitive, like, okay, is she not in good terms, or what? Are they not? What is? We are in good terms. We are fine. They are okay with me. I'm okay with them. But that is just it. I'm just respecting their decision, their opinion, and that is it. So guys, that is it on this video. I don't want it to be too long, so I just said let me come and share it here. So it's not like they're not in support. I don't know what to do, if it's to listen to them, if it's to listen to them, if it's to please them or not, if it's to it's not like that. I'm happy doing this. I enjoy it, and they don't have a problem with me doing this as far as they're not in it. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. So guys, if you have watched to this point, I said thank you. And if it's the first time you're coming across this channel, across my face, I say you are welcome, you're welcome. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it, so that you'll be notified anytime I post any new video. And to my returning subscribers, we we for dance. My blessed people, my blessed people, my blessed people, Thank you for always coming back to watch your girl. Thank you for your love and support. I do not take you all for granted. See you all in my next video. Bye.